Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I am so excited because I am participating in a Diva DIY Glam Series Collaboration 2019. And this collaboration is hosted by Diva Decorating and a limited design by Ieasha. Please go over to these ladies' channel and show them some love and support. They have some amazing home decor videos, great ideas that will inspire you to decorate your home on a budget. And if you're new to my channel, welcome and become a member of Living Better with Style family, where we do lifestyle changes, home decor, DIYs, shop with me, and homes. Tap that notification bell so you'll be notified when I upload new video. Starting December the 1st, it's my 12 Days of Christmas series. So please, you do not want to miss out on those videos. And in this series, we was asked to create a DIY shiny, blingy, or mirror. And this series is for the whole month of November, starting November the 4th to November the 30th. So you still have time to get in your DIY. And my DIY, I'm using blingy and shiny. So I decided to add a little bling and shiny to this picture that I purchased from Burlington. And in this video, I will demonstrate how I revamp this picture and add a little personal touches to it. When I purchased this picture, it had this beautiful sheen on it, but it was something still missing. So I decided to add glitter. I used Mod Podge and the chunky glitter for texture, and two fine glitter. One is in the color of pumpkin, the other one is in yellow gold, to add symmetry to my picture. I just love how this picture turned out. I'm going to demonstrate how I use Mod Podge, and then I dip it in the glitter. And wherever you want it, the glitter to be, I just put it on now. Don't worry about the Mod Podge because it will dry clear. And once it dried, you will see all the glitter come through. See, this is how you take something old or either something new and revamp it and let it become a personal DIY for you. I also DIY these candlesticks. I bought them in this color, but I decided to add a little more bling and sheen to the candlesticks so it will match my picture. If you love this video, please subscribe and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you'll always be notified. Thank you, ladies, for this amazing glam series and the opportunity for me to show off my bling and my shine. Have a blessed and wonderful day. Bye-bye.